Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. We reflect today the commissioning of the 12 apostles according to Saint Mark, and being the first gospel written, we see this pattern on how Jesus sent his apostles. He sent them with his presence and with his blessings. And bearing the presence and the blessings from Jesus, the mission of the 12 became possible. Their mission was done gracefully. I've been sharing with you that to be an apostle or to be a disciple of Jesus then was both difficult and a serious mission. It was difficult since there's no stable transportation, there's no social media, there's no enough support. Life was difficult. To be an apostle is difficult. But what these apostles held on were not their own capacities. Hindi dahil kaya nila, hindi dahil sila ay magaling o matalino, but once more to what was given to them before they were sent out, the blessings and the presence of the Lord. Dahil alam nilang hindi sila nag-iisa o pinababayaan sa kanilang misyon, nagagawa nila ito ng malugod at totoo. It is good to remind ourselves, my dear brothers and sisters, that we do not do the mission alone. Right from the very start of our mission, whoever or wherever we are, myself as a priest, you as our collaborators in our ministry, be it as a parent, as a student, as a worker, as a simple layman or woman, wherever or whoever you are, every mission is done possibly and is possible with the presence and the blessings of God. Nakakayanan ang araw-araw na misyon dahil hindi tayo pinababayaan ng Diyos. Every mission is fulfilled because God has blessed us. Why mission is possible and fruitful? Because God, right from the very start, and as we fulfill every mission, has blessed us. We do not do mission alone. We have the Lord. We have His blessings to make it possible. He sends us and He will bless us on one end, so that whatever is asked of us, we may do it well, we may do it gracefully, and eventually leave the Lord smiling for every mission that is accomplished.